Hey there, beautiful people. This is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. As a career coach, I want you guys to understand. I understand how these layoffs are affecting you, and I want to make sure that you are putting yourself in a position, or you're structuring yourself in a position where you're not necessarily depending on a particular job, but this is also a way for you to make money while you're laid off. And of course, as you come in, go ahead and drop a like, and we're gonna get started. Okay, all right, guys, stay tuned. Beautiful people, this is Mentor Shelley. I want to jump right in here and get started with this. If you're laid off and you need money now, this may be one of the ways that we can get things moving for you. All right. Let's go ahead and grab the information so we can get started. All righty. Laid off and you need money now. Remember that commercial? You need money now. J.G. Wentworth, that was the commercial from back in the day. All right, let's get started, guys. In Let's face reality. If you just got laid off and your bills are still due, of course, these bills ain't stopping for nobody. I need you to hear me clearly. Do not, and you don't have time to sit around applying for jobs all day and not have some kind of income coming in. This is unexpected. This is uncertain. And we're not being biased here. You need income, and that applies to everybody that gets laid off. I'm going to show you one of the ways to find clients and find them fast. And why should you listen to me, guys? Oh, have over 20 years of HR experience, and I want to I've seen what layoffs can do to people. I know what it did to me when I've been laid off a few times. And of course, people are going to panic. I'm going to start applying everywhere, and weeks go by and no income. That's the part nobody prepares you for. So I want to give you some insight. Of course, I do have resources. My Overcoming Layoff workshop definitely will help you to rebuild your income with strategy and intention. We talk about in there about how to position yourself with your resume, how to do that. Also, position yourself in interviews, how to conduct yourself in interviews, what to say. But even before that, if you're looking to maybe venture out into freelancing, this is some of the things that we're going to touch on this video today. So let's shift the mindset for a moment, okay? You don't need a full-blown business right now, but you need a paying client. Because what? Because a website does not pay you, a logo does not pay you, LLC, even if you got to pay for that, no matter what state you're in, an LLC won't pay you. But guess what? Clients do. Right now, you have to take a good look at an inventory of your skills. You already have some skills because you've been working somewhere and you got laid off. What are some of those skills? Grab something, write it down. Were you an admin in your previous role? You can become a virtual assistant. If you have your experience like myself, HR, you have some resume writing, you have some HR consulting that you can do. If you've done customer service over the phone or in person, you can also offer client support services. There's a lot of business owners that are bogged down with admin and customer service that need help with that, and you can offer them that service to business owners. In the script, you could say, I help this particular client or this particular business owner to help them to complete admin tasks, to help them with their client relations, their customer service. These are just some of the ways, guys. I need you to take notes. How to find people, not posts. Okay. Let me save you the time. Posting on social media without talking to people will not get you paid fast enough. Folks, the money is where the people are. Do this instead. Reach out to 10 to 15 people a day, whether it be 10 to 15 people in your phone, 10 to 15 people that you are connected with on social media in their inbox. Start conversations. Literally, start as simple as this. Hey, quick question. Are you currently handling everything in your business yourself? Do you have help? You're not selling. You're identifying a need and you want to be able to be their solution. Okay? And offer a quick win. Your first offer should be simple and paid. Inbox cleanup, resume rewrites, admin setup, scheduling help. You're not building a business yet. You're building cash flow. And Some of the pricing is an example of what you can charge for that, maybe on a monthly basis or, for a certain period of time. Whatever, however you want to set that up, it's a way to get money in the door. What's keeping you broke? Let me be real with you. You're stuck because you're overthinking it. You're waiting to feel ready and you're avoiding talking to people. That's where the money is, folks. The people got the money. So you got to talk to the people. None of this pays you. You got to speak to folks. What's the real strategy here? You have to position yourself to get paid. After a layoff, you can either wait to be hired by all the people that all the places that you're applying, or you can position yourself to get paid. You have to choose which one you want to focus on, but the fastest way is to position yourself to get hired. Position yourself to get paid. How do you do that? You got to speak with people, and the people who move the fastest also get the fastest income in the door. And of course, there are other strategies that you can apply, but I do have those strategies along with others included in my overcoming layoff workshop. We have about 10 different ways you can set yourself up or position yourself to make additional income while you are waiting for a job, or while you're applying for, not waiting for a job, applying for different positions. You have to give employers time to respond back to you. In the meantime, you can also be positioning yourself to make income by talking to more people. That phone has a lot of phone numbers and people you know. It's time to talk to them and see how you can be of assistance for a fee. Okay, how to fix your resume and generate income is also part of what the Overcoming Layoff Workshop offers. How to stop panic applying, how to move strategically, and if you are serious about getting back on your feet and getting more strategies on how to get money in the door and position yourself for income, go ahead and go to mentorshelley.com/layoff so we can get started on working on getting you positioned. Always remember, guys, you do not need to wait for someone to hire you when you can position yourself to be paid. You don't have to wait for somebody to give you the opportunity. You can create that opportunity for yourself. And of course, guys, this is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. And if you, of course, want to connect with me and have additional questions, feel free to do so at mentorshelley.com/contact. All right, guys, take care. This is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally as you are working through these layoff streets. Position yourself to get paid. All right, guys, take care. Have a good one. Bye.